Okay guys, I hopped on my YouTube channel and I hit view as a subscriber. As you guys know, I have 11 of them, and as you know, Creation0944 is part of the Nub Squad, and he has 4 subscribers because he doesn't have that many videos. Most of them actually don't have any audio. The only ones that actually do have audio are these 3. I am in these 3. Anyway, so as you guys know, Flamingo here is one of the most great YouTubers. Where is he? He's in my okay, there he is. So if I open him right this instant, as you can see, here is Flamingo, one of my favorite YouTubers right here. And as you can see, Flamingo is really cool, and he does a lot of admin things. And then, let's pretend you hopped onto my channel, and look who is on the related channels! This is impossible. This is impossible. Flamingo is one of the related channels to us. Oh my gosh, how is this even possible? I never thought this would be possible. Look at it. Look, we only have, I don't know how many we have, but, I'll go to change the thumbnail that later. Anyway, the thing is, what and how? I never thought this would happen. I just thought we would get related channels like Blue Domino. Wait, is my subscription somewhere? There he is. There he is. You're probably wondering, why doesn't he have any videos? Don't ask me. I have no clue at all. So, I just was hopping onto YouTube to go watch a YouTuber. I don't know what YouTuber I was gonna watch, but I was gonna go watch some YouTuber. Maybe go and watch, let's say, I was actually about to go see if I'm actually a little sick today. It doesn't sound like it, but I am. So I was about to go see if he posted a new video. As you can actually, my sister started watching this, so that's why it says this. But I've watched all of the videos. Why do I always click random things like that? Anyway, and this is what I get. I literally had no clue that he was a related channel to. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to name this video. This video is actually pretty short. This is just a giant announcement.